In this video, we're going to be installing an air filter in this 2008 Acura MDX. Alright, to gain access to your air filter, you're going to need to locate your air box. There should be 4 Phillips head screws or 8mm bolts. Ours is missing 2. We're going to go ahead and take out the 2 that we do have. 8mm socket. If you had the other 2, one would be here, the other one would be back here in the back corner. Those screws or bolts are captured, so you shouldn't need to worry about losing them. Ours must have just broken off over the years. At this point, you can pull your top of your air box up, take out your old air filter. Actually, you can see that ours are broken off. Alright, so at this point you've taken your old air filter out and your air box is still loose. Go ahead and pull your air box up open again. If you see any debris down underneath where your air filter would sit, now's the time to get rid of that. Take your air filter, drop it into place, make sure it's sat down evenly. Lower the top of your air box down. Go ahead and tighten down your 4, or in our case 2, 8mm bolts. That's it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.